Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be discussing how to make a Snapchat filter step by step. Let's dive right in. So first, you're going to want to open up your browser. Now keep in mind, this feature may not be available in every region, and it is currently available in mine and hopefully yours as well. Now here in your browser search bar, go ahead and type in snapchat.com. Now once you're here, you can see three lines on the top left hand corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Scroll all the way to the bottom and here you can see Snap AR. Go ahead and click on that option. Now here you can see Lens Studio. Go ahead and click that. Now as you can see here, Snap AR and Lens Studio, you can download this item and this item will allow you to create lens, create filters, however you wish. You can design it and then you can promote it on Snapchat by having people, the crowd, use it. So this is the most basic way to make a Snapchat filter. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.